One J Squad, it's your boy Jay and welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by, and if you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Well, as you can see, we're in another country. You know the thing already. We're gonna be doing something very interesting for you guys as always. We're gonna have some fun and excitement. Yeah man, you see the smoking in the background. We did already kick it off, you know, but guess what? I'm gonna allow you guys to be a part of it. So guess what? Join me now, come along for the journey. Let's do this together. See guys, been telling us I'm not left note and none of the process. See blew up in the tree there. Yeah man, I'm a neighbor half a blue. But blue is up in the tree already and blue I get the breadfruit them live and ready. You see it guys, so tell you already we're gonna do some breadfruit.
When we're in too deep and you and I, we got history, yeah.
So yeah guys, as you can see, we're there and we roast up some breadfruit in the evening. I decided that I wanted you guys to be a part of it. So we just going to show you. As you see, we just get some of the wood from around the yard and all of them things there. A lot of people, you know, you're there overseas and it's been a while since you've had the experience of getting some good roast breadfruit. So I'm giving you roast breadfruit for your dinner this evening. And you know what I'm going to do with it? I'm also going to be pairing the roast breadfruit with some nice Ackee and Saltfish. So you guys come along for that journey, man. We're gonna be having a wonderful meal this afternoon. Yeah man, we are the outdoors way this evening. So normally you guys see me in the kitchen, but this evening without a door, and we're just gonna have a wonderful time. So I go and blow. Yeah man, I see it man. So tell the people what you do. Yeah man, you shot me nice. So you guys, you see it, I'm a Virgin Blue this. He's always here with us. Man. So we're there with us a match up a thing in it. So yeah man, squad, we just have a good little evening together. You don't know the thing go. We're going to hold our meds. I will have reasoning while them thing they run about go and do it I do. You see me? Them always say who beg nah get and who no beg no want. Yeah, but guys, I'm gonna be very generous with you guys. I'm gonna be very kind with you. The mango season start again, and you remember the last time we carried a mango bush and show you guys what go on. So the black mango tree start beer again, you know guys. So you know, big up yourself, man. Mango there, a grown mango a drop all over the place. If you can climb still, feel free to go up in the tree and get them. But you don't really have to do that with black mango because it's a very generous mango. It will drop and you will get to pick it up. But guys, yeah man, mango start coming in now still. And over the other side guys, the East Indian tree also do what it's supposed to do. So no one can see that. So you know, so we'll probably do a mango video, a mango part 2, mango video part 2. So whenever things ripe up and ready man, we'll probably do a mango video part 2. Or see if we can do a mango eating challenge. But something is coming in the pipelines where mango is concerned guys. Rest assured, you're also going to be getting the mango juice video. So a whole heap of content coming your way guys. So if you really love the content that we always provide on this channel, if you know where man, hit the subscription button, like the video, drop a comment on the video, and share it with everybody guys. Share it with everybody. I'm telling you, nothing to beat country life. Look on the expanse of the place over there, sir. Look how beautiful country life is. Look there. You have plum trees, breadfruit tree, all sort of fruit trees. Whole heap of things, man. You guys can get a full belly when you're in the country. Can't it? About country life too, you know guys, is that no matter how you're having a rough time, you can't always just go up on a little corner in the country and just sit down and just hold a mess. It actually relaxes you. The space in country gives you an opportunity to just relax. All the things that they really worry you. It's like country life sometimes is like an escape from reality. Yeah, things are there, and yes, the opportunity to worry about things is always going to be ever present, but what you gonna do? Just relax yourself and easy. Eat some mango full your belly and relax and have a wonderful time. Drink water, coconut there, jelly there. You bust a jelly and you drink a jelly and you feel good. You know? Country life. Things are country, yeah? As small as the trees are, them a be your sorrel. Watch it. All year round. So if you're a sorrel lover, sorrel up on location too. That's just how we are in the country. Our hands are blessed, so anything we really put in the soil, expect it to grow, guys. You know? It's a Jamaican thing right there, so. So you know what, I'll go on with the cooking later, cause right there, so now I have my Scotch bonnet tree. So, and we make sure, say, we have them little thing here accessible. Yeah. And you know we're talking about starting a nice little bushfire. We always have a coconut bunker them right there, so where we can actually use and start a fire like what we are used to roast the breadfruit, guys. See it there? When breadfruit are roast good, it roll out a fire. Let me go ahead and put that back in the fire. Some people might know it and some people might not know it. But in case you don't know it, let me just tell you. It's a basil. Yeah, guys. Sometimes when you even smell the aroma of it at night, very, very sweet scent come off it. If you have a fever, you can all boil the basil and drink it. It reduces the fever in no time. Yeah, guys. Also, if you have a little belly problem there, so boil up your basil, man, and drink. Yeah, man, it's also good for diabetes and all of them things there. Another thing where basil good too, if you're adventurous, you can actually slice up your basil nicely and put it on your meat to actually give the meat a nice. The next lap, the next leg. Yeah, we have the seasoning well cut up already, well prepared, and we already did have the ackee boiled. The ackee was already boiled and frozen. So you know, say, as I said to you already, I'm going to be behind the camera today. I'm not already going in front of the camera today. In the corner, you know, so the seasoning did the same with the powdered season. And as you guys can see what I'm going right here, so the saltfish already has been pre-boiled to get out most of the additional salt. But look at that, guys. Yeah, man, real country ackee that has been frozen. And we just all match it up real quick, guys, so you guys can get an opportunity to enjoy this meal. What up on the plate now? Let them know what I want. What you have right there?
We have onion cut up.
Yeah, so we see the onions.
Thyme.
Thyme is there.
Sweet pepper.
We have sweet pepper as well, guys, as you can see. We also have some tomato in there. I think I said tomato.
Tomato.
Yeah, the tomatoes
Sliced
are there.
tomato.
Yeah, sliced tomato.
Real Scotch bonnet pepper that grow in the backyard.
Yeah, so you hear that, guys? Real Scotch bonnet pepper where we grow in our own backyard.
And you can put a little piece of garlic, a taste of garlic in there.
Garlic, and if we really want to nice it up, we can add some pimento as well.
Well,
so we already have the oil. We already have the oil preheated, guys. So what we're gonna do now is just add the seasoning to the oil. And trust me, if you don't hear it sing like that, guys, then you know you're not doing it right. Look at that, man. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at our reds. Look at our yellows. Look at our green. And look at the white from the onion. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna cook up the saltfish in all of that. So go ahead now, mommy, and just mix it up and just add your saltfish to it. See guys, everything still looks fresh. You know sometimes when it's in the oil too long, it will change up the color. So we still have our rich colors. So we're gonna add the saltfish to it now, guys. Remember, for some persons who don't really like bone, you can go through and really pick out your bone out of the saltfish. There you go, look at that. Mommy is the chef this evening. So what mommy has done, she take out all of the saltfish that was already cooked, which she just do up a while ago. Alright, so she's gonna now go ahead and add the saltfish to the mix and allow the colors to pop and allow everything to fall in love. Yeah. Yes guys, we're gonna go ahead and just add some black pepper to it. You know the thing though, the black pepper actually bring up the taste. Look at that guys. Wow. Look at the colors. And remember guys, at this part of the process you turn down your but the easiest way when you're ready to peel your breadfruit is get an old bread bag and you put a nice dish towel in it to take off the heat off of your hand, and you just go ahead and just get your breadfruit peeled. Yeah man, so I just want to show you guys how it is done. Don't you wish that you could just taste this breadfruit right now, guys? And you can see that it have a little touch of turn into it too. Look at that steam coming out of the middle, guys. Look at the steam, you can know that it is fresh. So all you do, you can just cut that breadfruit in four quarters. And remember guys, to get the heart out. Yeah man, I know it kind of sounds a little bit grotesque for the persons who are seeing breadfruit preparation for the first time, but yeah, you have to take the center out, and in Jamaica we refer to that part as the heart. And now you just slice your breadfruit into smaller portions that you can use for serving. So daddy, let me ask you a question. What are some of the nice things that you could have used, where you could have eat the breadfruit with?
Original fried pork. Original fried pork.
You hear that guys? So if you want to be adventurous, you can just fry some pork with that, with your breadfruit.
With ackee and saltfish. Rundown. Whatnot.
Guys, this is your share. Real Jamaican ackee and saltfish with breadfruit. As I had said to you guys, I'm gonna make sure that the first thing that comes out is your share. So this is your share, guys. And I hope you enjoy. But as we always say on the channel, JAESAYS, and we are